Shenzhen Xuezhiyou Technology Co. Ltd., established in the January 1999, is a high-tech corporation integrating the research, development, production, sales and services of educational and electric products, talking pen, tablet PC, language translator device. Partners include FLT-RT, BBK, Udo, Ifritech, Pearson, Penpower, Foxconn, Lenovo, Xiaomi and other brands. Reading pens and scanning pens are the main recommended and best-selling products of our company. Reading pens have become the main tool for children's education in Europe and the United States and other countries, and their popularity is gradually rising. At present, Xuezhiyou has independently developed and completed the scanning dictionary pen solution with Android, Linux, Qt system. One professionally provide product appearance, structure design, PCB board layout, software bottom layer development, app application development, UI design and provide complete machine production testing services. Xuezhiyou has patents such as self-invented and innovative puzzle algorithm, Oker text recognition algorithm, scanning recognition module, etc. Our factory has ISO 9001:2008 quality certification system and has established a quality controlling system from RD to RM purchasing, from the production to the quality controlling and the after-sale service. The quality of the products has guaranteed effectively. The quality controlling and inner operating management have updated to a higher level. All types are with the standard of CE, rules, FCC, and Season 1. We have a professional RD team, providing services such as logo customization, UI design, functional module design, mold development, language addition, cover screen printing, etc., which can be added according to your needs to help you develop, expand emerging markets.